Hey there and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I created this look without no foundation. First things first, I'll be using the Thayers Witch Hazel toner. This helps to remove oil. This also helps to shrink my pores and restore my pH balance. Then I'll be using the Embryolisse cream moisturizer. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but this helps to moisturize my face. It helps when you want to achieve that smooth finish makeup application. And you see me rubbing it underneath my eyes at the part where I'm going to highlight my face to keep my makeup locked in and have that seamless finish. Then going in with my Noir Black Beauty liquid illuminator in the shade Glow to give my face that glowy effect. And I use my palm to rub it in so that it can really absorb into my skin. Then going in with my highlighter, I'm using the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn and Toast. I like to mix these two because Fawn is lighter and Toast helps to tone it down a little bit for me. So I'll be applying it on underneath my eyes, my T-zone, my cupid bows and my jaw. And for my contour, I'll be using the same LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa, and I'll be applying it on my cheekbones, around my forehead and my nose bridge. And it's blending time using my beauty blender. You know what it is at this time is the time to blend and blend. So I'll be blending out my contour areas first before I go into the highlighted part of my face. And so you have to blend and blend and blend to achieve the perfect seamless finish. Going on, I'll be using the RCMA no color powder to set my face, and I'll be using the Real Technique brush to do that. This helps me take the right amount of powder needed to set my face, and I'll be using the pat application to keep the product locked in. Using the P.louise base in Rumor 03 to set my eyelid for eyeshadow application, and I'll have to blend it out using my blending brush. And sorry guys, I had to do my eyebrows off camera. Make sure that your primer base is well blended out. Before my eyeshadow application, I like to bake underneath my eyes for eyeshadow fallouts. Then going in with the Ibeautifi Cindy palette, and I'll be using this shade to start off with my crease. Then using this darker brown shade to go in right into my crease again. Then I'll be going in with this purple shade to give a depth on my crease. cut my crease, I'll still be using the P.louise base, and I like to raise up my eyeballs, and where I have a stain, that is where I'm going to connect my cut crease. I don't know if you understand it, but the video is very explanatory. So I'll be cutting my crease using the P.louise base in Zumo 03. Then I pat the end parts with my... Then going right in with the first color which I used for the crease, and I'll just be patting them on my eyelid. Then going in with this burnt orange or orange color to apply next, and I'll be patting it on my eyelid. And making sure I blend in the two colors, like make them marry each other. Then going in with the purple shade which I also used for the crease to apply at the outer corner of my eyes, and I have to blend it in to like give it that little smoked out feel. Using the Maybelline Master Pierce eyeliner to get that eye winged up. I honestly don't know why I make these faces when I apply makeup, but I guess I'm not the only one on this boat. Then going in to dust off the excess powder which I used to bake underneath my eyes. Still using my Reach Technique brush. Then I'll be lining my lip using my MAC lip liner. Then I'll be using my LA Girl concealer in the shade Fawn to pat on my lips, as you can see, because this is just a new trick that I just wanted to try and see how it's going to come out, and I really love the outcome. And I glossed it up and using my NYX blush to blush up my face and add colors also to my nose and my forehead. Yes, using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter to highlight and let us glow up for the gods. I'm using my Zaron powder in the shade ZZ65 to lock in the products into my skin. To add some glowy dewy look, I'll be using the Soopro Hydra Glow Mist in the shade Kawena. To seal it up, I'll be using the Nuban Seal It Spray. And voila! We have a look. Well done, something is missing. Drum rolls! Yes, this is our final look. I hope you love this video, and please don't forget to leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.